here with Rako Controls with a short video on how to create a Rako project file. Okay, so we're going to open up the software. And we're going to click File, New Project, and give the project a name. You can also add a description in at this point if you want, and you also need to set the house address, any number between 1 and 255. And choose the save location. I'm just going to leave it in projects. Now we want to start adding in some rooms, so I'm going to put in a living room, dining room, and a kitchen. In the master bedroom, I'm going to select lighting and blinds because we're going to have some blind control in there, and in the cinema room I'm going to do the same thing, and this adds a separate room address. For the garden, it's only going to be switched only circuits, so I'm just going to uncheck the lighting box and click switch. So I'm going to add some channels. These are the Rako channels that are within each room. The order's not important, and I'm just going to put a couple in just to give you an idea. So the main function of this last page is really for adding virtual devices if you're off-site, but on-site programming, the only thing you need to add is a bridge. The very last thing you need to do is choose your user level. I recommend that you run it in intermediate mode. Click Next, and that's your project built.